The beach, the perfect getaway with sandy shores, clear skies and calming seas. Unfortunately, this isn't always the reality. Instead, we are greeted by plastic bags, masks and all sorts of trash beneath our feet. Pictures of marine life, dead or kidnapped, flooding all our feeds. These tiny microplastics, less than 5 millimeters in size, are eaten by these creatures and end up shortening our lives. So let's all band together to clean up our beach through a project with a purpose that we hope gets wider reach. They don't just pick up plastics, they give them second lives as carbon nanotubes, hydrogen or fuel pyrolyzed. Not only are these products a source of clean energy, they can be shipped around the region to power poor communities. In May 2021, they got a grant from MSC, the first step in building their new facility. So they track the trash collected and protect the mangroves too. But wait till you hear what else they really do. More than just storage, this will be an onshore research site, transforming seaweed and mussels into bioplastics. Cool, right? This will also be a training space where schools and residents can learn, or an opportunity for companies to partake in ocean conservation. Just imagine what a vibrant community Pasir Ris could be, where residents of all walks of life are part of this bigger story. Let's save our shores together and reclaim our future now. With the Ocean Purpose Project, you don't need to wonder how.